Welcome back everyone, Red02 here, back at it again for another video. This one's exciting, 2023 Top Tractor Challenge video series, announcement video. The 5th annual Top Tractor Challenge series is underway this year on August 12th this year. The last chance qualifier is going to be July 15th at Canvas, West Virginia, at the Good Evening Ranch. There's only a couple spots left, but in this video I'm going to tell you this wonderful sponsor list that we got going on this year. You guys went over the top with help supporting the event coming up this year, and we'll go over the competitors and how you can secure your spot in to come out to Pontotoning, Pennsylvania and compete in the 2023 Top Tractor Challenge. Let's start this off. We got another awesome round of sponsors. Super Clean went above and beyond this year. We got a whole bunch of t-shirts, hats, stickers, and a whole bunch of product that's not even in this picture to hand out to the competitors and some of the viewers. Once again, Oxbeam came on board again this year and outdid themselves once again. We got these awesome 3 sets of these 3-inch 6-mode 96 watt 9600 lumen pod lights. They sent us some t-shirts as well for the competitors. Super excited to have Oxbeam on board again. I don't know if you can see the Oxbeam 12-inch light bar up there on truffles. Once again, Adams Small Engines out in Greenwich, Ohio. They have a huge mower junkyard out there, pick and pull. They have a whole online store. All of your small engine and tractor parts needs, hit them up. Adams Small Engines. Once again, another big supporter, Craftsman Crusher here on YouTube. He competed in a previous TTC, and he's been a huge support in the TTC. So big shout out to you, bud. Everybody go check out his channel, show him some love. And another awesome YouTuber that has been a huge support ever since the beginning, came back on board. You guys all know him. Mr. Three-Peat himself has won 3 TTCs in a row. CreepyCrawler, he came back on board as a sponsor once again this year, so big thanks to him. Go check him out too. We got a new sponsor this year come on board, Gulu. So they sent me this, oh now I messed it up. They sent me this GP4000 jump starter a while ago. I did a review, you can go check out on my channel. I was a fan of them, so I reached out to them. I do not have them currently, but they're sending the competitors out 2 1200A lithium jump packs. So 2 of those will be up for grabs. So big shout out to Gulu for coming on board. Super excited about that because these jump packs, I've been using this thing like crazy. They come in handy. Another awesome sponsor from last year came back on board, Midnite Auto LLC down in North Carolina. If you have any classic car restoration or modification needs, go hit them up. Captain 315 on YouTube is the owner. Check them out. Another new sponsor this year is Lantagne's Welding. So Cooper Lantagne, the last 2 years was a competitor. He came on board with his welding company. He's going to be donating a bunch of welding supplies for some of the prizes. Super excited about that. MightyRaze is back on board once again. Created the 5th annual logo, this glorious 90s themed logo. Super excited. It turned out so awesome. Big shout out to him. Go check him out. He's done amazing work on all of the TTC logos, my logo, all of it. Go check him out. Another new sponsor this year is Countrytyme Land Specialist. Huge shout out to them. Thank you guys for donating some funds to help run this event. Super expensive to put this event on and to make this all happen. So big shout out to you. Thank you guys. Once again, All-Terrain Lawn Tractor Forum. This huge sponsor, huge support If you're into forums, I know forums are kind of dying, but there's so much good information on off-road riding lawnmowers on this website. Go check them out. You can't just miss them. Ohio Off-Road Mowers, big shout out to them being a big sponsor. The Charboneau family, they're the ones that allow us to have a hill climb event in the TTC. Thank you guys. Andrew Tinker, thank you. Go check him out on YouTube. He does some traveling videos, but he's helped film every single TTC thus far and has done a great job. And once again, the Meyer family for my family putting up with all your guys' shenanigans and all of my shenanigans. By far, one of my favorite sponsors came back on board again this year, Longbow Jerky. Some of the best beef jerky I've ever had. If you haven't already, seriously, go check them out. Order yourself some beef jerky at longbowjerky.com because this stuff is delicious. Super excited to have them and Jason Bear back on board again for 2023. Another returning YouTuber sponsor, Hot Lap Garage here on YouTube. Go check him out. Big shout out to him for pitching in and helping out once again as well. I also have a handful of sponsors in the work that I just haven't solidified the deal yet. Solidify those deals, I will be sure to announce it to you guys and let you know who else has come on board. Now let's get into the reason why you guys are all here. Who's competing and how can you get a spot? First up, we have CreepyCrawler coming back to defend his titles. Will he get another first place? We have no idea. He retired rusty last year. He's back, going to be back with the workhorse. He's going to have built opposed twin and a wheel horse. So we'll see if he wins. Big spicy horsepower. We have Ryan Devers, Be Destructive, coming back to compete. Not entirely sure what he's going to be running this year. I believe it might be a Sears, but I don't know. You guys will have to stick around and find out. We have Cooper Lantagne from up in Vermont that's coming to compete once again. He's got a fully built, I believe, Kohler engine in his machine now. He redid a whole bunch of stuff. So that's two really big motors that we're fixing to see. We have Ethan Tigner, which is even more exciting to have him back. He was put on a wild show in the 2022 TTC, but he has a fully built Predator 670 with nitrous on a wheel horse that he's coming back to compete with. We have Hot Lap Garage coming down with Charlie horse, big V-twin in that. So we're going to have a whole lot of power going on this year. It's going to be super exciting and super interesting. We have Josh Rowe, Give Her the Beans 97, probably the greatest off-road mower footage here on YouTube. He rides super hard down there in Kentucky, and he's coming up to compete. And also, Jerry Rowe, his father, is coming up to compete on his Murray. It's going to be a great lineup. So we got 7 right there. I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to be competing, but if I do compete this year, it's going to be on truffles here. We got some ideas in the works to make that happen, but I'm not entirely sure yet. Now, there's about 2 to 3 open spots for you competitors to potentially come and compete at the 2023 TTC. Unfortunately, there's no spectators at this event, so if you're not competing, you cannot attend. So, last chance qualifier is going to be at Canvas, West Virginia, down at the Good Evening Ranch, and we're going to do some sort of competition, and whoever wins first, second, and third, I'm not sure how many spots are open yet, but so say we have 3 spots. Whoever gets first, second, and third in that competition will get the final spots at TTC. If you win the last chance qualifier, you will be required to come compete at the TTC at August 12th in Pottawatomie, Pennsylvania. So if you do not plan on actually attending TTC, do not waste our time and come down and compete at Last Chance Qualifier. You will be able to come down to Last Chance Qualifier and watch all the events and come ride with us. But so there you guys go. I'm super excited about the 5th annual logo. This is going to be a huge year. We have a laundry list of amazing sponsors. Make sure you guys go check them out. Make sure you go check out all of the competitors. If you haven't already, go over to Facebook and like my Facebook page, Red02. There's a lot of information, pictures, and short little snippets that you don't see here on YouTube. I post over there information about group rides and all sorts of stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I'm super excited about 2023. Super excited about the sponsors, the competitors, and the events we're hosting this year. So until next time, have a wonderful day. We'll catch you on the next one. But let's get down to the nitty gritty why you guys are here. Who is competing at the 2023 Top Tractor Challenge, and who and when and where, why, how, chicken butt, stink fart.